Hi guys. In this Express Ticket to Success review, I will be walking you through, first of all, what exactly Express Ticket to Success is and what it does. Also the benefits and the disadvantages, and a lot of other things that you will need to know to make the right decision on whether it will work for you or not. But before I get the review started, if you finish watching this review video and you finally decide that you're going to buy and use Express Ticket to Success, then I would recommend you click on the first link in the description of this video you're watching to get it at a discounted price. Let's get the review started by discussing what exactly Express Ticket to Success is and what exactly it does. What is Express Ticket to Success? Express Ticket to Success is an affiliate marketing coaching program that helps you make money by gaining the audience's trust in a short period without spending a dime on paid ads. It's a 1 full year of mentorship and coaching by Philip Johansson, a Danish multi-millionaire entrepreneur, and Dan Kahn, a young college dropout, who is also a super affiliate. The method is about leveraging YouTube videos to sell affiliate products and build a list at the same time, for example not using paid traffic. Being transparent to your audience and become a trustworthy marketer. You don't need a list of thousands of leads but the quality of prospects that matters. The value ladder, not selling one product each time but repeatedly sell different items in higher values. Upon joining, you'll start learning the basics from the tutorials, while you can ask any questions to Philip, Dan, or the community members as frequently as you wish. They'll make sure you're making decent revenues, so you're not working alone, although your affiliate business will be of your own. Express Ticket to Success works with any niche, and the method is not just on trends, but sustainable, so I can safely say it's for anyone who wishes to see good results from real affiliate marketing with ethical practices. The course will definitely help you grow your entrepreneurial confidence and reputation in years to come. There is no technical complication in any part of the program, so it's perfect for the complete newbie. Now that you know what Express Ticket to Success is and what it does and how it works, we will now look at the good sides and the bad sides of this course. I will start with the advantages and after that, then I will talk about the disadvantages. The pros of Express Ticket to Success. A legitimate affiliate marketing method to start making money in a short period. You don't need to spend money on traffic. You have 1 full year of coaching. Both the coaches are trustworthy, you will get 24/7 support through the community, 60-day money-back guarantee by ClickBank if you are not satisfied. Let's see now what are the disadvantages. The cons of Express Ticket to Success. The fee may not be affordable for some people. Now that we cover the pros and cons of Express Ticket to Success, I will talk about what you will get in the program briefly. In the course you will get the over-the-shoulder, results-focused tutorial program that is divided into 6 modules. Module 1, Overview. Understanding what Express Ticket to Success is about and start planning your success. Module 2, Mind Game Mastery. Learning the marketing technique is one thing but you have to have the right mindset to make success possible. This will teach how to build your mindset, which is really important where other programs are missing this point. I find it to be really useful. Module 3, Secret Conversion System. The secret source of affiliate marketing that you don't get from anywhere else. You'll get to copy the exact commission generating system. Module 4, Hands-free automation. Learn how to make your system autopilot, so you'll work fewer hours and receive truly passive income. Module 5, Unstoppable traffic hack. This is the area most affiliates struggle with. You'll tap into the best traffic sources via YouTube. Module 6, Outrank all competition. To stand out from the crowd of competition. What is my final thought on Express Ticket to Success? In conclusion, many affiliates struggle because they stay unknown and try to promote seasonal products from one to another. They're having to continuously work on acquiring new leads, spending a lot of time and money. They call their affiliate marketing commissions passive income, but the fact that they spend so much time is not making their income passive. Express Ticket to Success denies all that and encourages you to be real. No spamming, no one-click system, that never works. I'm sure you'd rather want to learn directly from the super affiliates and follow their steps. You'll have to work hard to learn the techniques in the beginning, but all the help is available. Once you get on the right track, you can dramatically reduce your working hours and start receiving a truly passive income. If you're seriously looking to make good money from affiliate marketing without paying towards traffic continuously, Express Ticket to Success is for you. Personally, I would recommend you go and get the Express Ticket to Success and test it out for yourself. but remember I put a link in the description below on the page to their website where you can buy it for the cheapest price right now. Thanks for watching.